All right, friends, hello and welcome to tonight's edition of the Pwn Your Homework Physics Series podcast. I am your host, Eli Hibbett, and we are in the physics zone. We're doing physics every single day of the year. And so let's take a look on this day in physics on the 9th of February, 1953. We say happy birthday to string theorist and popular physics novelist Brian Greene, who turns 53 today. Brian is one of the leading minds in string theory and has published several highly popular books on the topic, most notably The Elegant Universe and The Fabric of the Cosmos. Which brings us right into our word of the day, string theory. Today's word of the day is an entire field of physics, although some may disagree. At this point, its most popular flag bearer is our birthday boy, Dr. Brian Greene, who I think most people think of synonymously with the phrase string theory. It is the closest thing we have to a theory of everything, and it suggests that beyond quarks, there are strings which are a fundamental unit of the universe. They are one-dimensional objects, and how they vibrate turns them into up quarks, down quarks, neutrinos, etc. It further suggests that our universe is indeed a 26-dimensional one with 22 of those dimensions curled into an infinitely small bundle, which is why they don't affect our everyday life. It sounds crazy, but the problem is it might be right. It explains an awful lot of things about our universe, and it is also directly in line with the standard model of physics. The other thing that string theory really has going for it is that it is able to show that relativity and quantum mechanics are compatible, something that the vast majority of theories are unable to reconcile. If it seems too good to be true, at the time of this writing, it definitely is. String theory is as of yet unprovable, as we don't have the measuring devices to probe matter down to this level, or measuring devices which are capable or sensitive enough to detect small anomalies over huge masses and areas. Think galaxies or clusters of galaxies. It is a very exciting place to be in physics right now because this is the red hot bleeding edge. If it's right, its creators and validators will have been on the cusp of probably the most profound theory of this century, quite possibly the millennium. And if it's wrong, it'll be a major flop and blow to the physics community. So that's a little taste of string theory, guys. Let's take a look at our quote of the day, the third segment from the birthday boy Brian Greene and his book The Elegant Universe. And I read, sometimes attaining the deepest familiarity with a question is our best substitute for actually having the answer, which is pretty much what string theory is at this point. But it's a very interesting theory, and his books are fantastic. So do check them out. Head on over to the blog, pwnphysics.blogspot.com, for you know, resources of all sorts, iPhone apps, episode transcripts, Twitter, Facebook, and links to the iTunes feed. So if you're feeling it, give a review. It helps out a lot. But with that, I think I'm going to sign off, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. So see you tomorrow, guys. Take care.